It is one of the most important topic in theory of errors, and it is the most simple topic in theory of errors. If you understand it, it's very simple. If you just click, you can just go on and go on with the examples. Okay, so normal equations is a way of solving indirectly observed quantities. Okay, indirectly observed quantities means this 6x plus 3y plus 9z is equal to 67. This is an indirectly observed quantity of x, y and z. So if you have a set of informations, or if you have a set of equations like this, you can solve and find out the values of x, y, z by way of normal equations. Okay, understood? So these are indirectly observed equations. This can be with weight or without weights. It can be weight 1 or with weight 3 or 4, anything. Okay, we will deal with both. Okay, so what is normal equations? To find that, we have a set of rules, but we are not going through the rules right now. We are directly getting into an example, and by understanding the example how to do that problem, how to find normal equations, you will understand about the rules. Okay, so let's get to the question. So this is our question. We have three sets of indirectly observed quantities, and you have to find normal equations for x, y and z. Okay, so how do you find it? It's very simple. You take the first equation, and for finding normal equation of x, you take the first equation. And what is the coefficient of x? You're finding normal equation of x. So take first equation, and the coefficient of x is 3. This 3. Okay, 3. And you multiply with that coefficient the whole equation. 3 into 3x plus 3y plus z minus 4 equal to 0. Okay. And next one, 1 is the coefficient of x, multiplied with x plus 2y plus 2z minus 6 equal to 0. Next one, obviously you can tell with me, 5 into 5x plus y plus 4z minus 21 equal to 0, and you add all these three to get normal equation of x. Just that. Okay, so I will just solve to the next level. 9x plus 9y plus 3z minus 12 is equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 2z minus 6 is equal to 0. 25x plus 5y plus 20z minus 105 is equal to 0. You add all these three up, then you get 35x plus 16y plus 25z minus 111 1 2 3 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is normal equation of x. Okay, if you are asked normal equation, just find the normal equation and that's it. Okay, so you know how to find out normal equation of x. Let's find out normal equation for y. normal equation of y is equal to 3 is the coefficient, 3 into 3x, sorry, 3x plus 3y plus z minus 4 is equal to 0, 2 into x plus 2y plus 2z minus 6 equal to 0, and y 1, 5x plus y plus 4z minus 21 is equal to 0. That is 9x plus 9y plus 3z minus 12 is equal to 0. 2x plus 2y plus 2z minus, sorry, 4y plus 4z minus 12 is equal to 0. 5x plus y plus 4z minus 21 is equal to 0. Add all these up. 16x plus 14y plus 11z minus 45 is equal to 0. This is normal equation of y. Okay. Same way you find normal equation of z also by yourself, and you are asked to find out normal equations of each of these. So just find out these three equations. The three equations will be your answer. That's it. Okay. So you got the values. So you got the normal equations of x, y, and z. If you are asked to find the values of x, y, z, you can solve all these three normal equations of x, y, z with the help of your calculator to get the values of x and y and z. Okay. So for the time being, you are just asked normal equations of x, y, z. So these three equations are your answer. Okay. So you are next getting to the next step. What if these same equations, same indirectly observed quantities, but with weights? First equation was with weight 2. Second equation with weight 3, and third one with weight 1. Now the same question, find the normal equations x, y, and z. This is also very simple, just a simple alteration to the old one. Normal equation of x. Okay, so in last time we did 3x plus 3y plus z minus 4 is equal to 0. We multiplied the whole equation with what? The coefficient of x, right? Okay, right now we will multiply with both the coefficient and the weight. That is 2 into 2 is weight of that equation, 2 into 3 into this equation. Okay. Similarly, to get the normal equation of x, next one will be x plus 2y plus 2z minus 6 is equal to 0. We multiply it with 1 as the coefficient and 3 as weight. Okay, I hope you get it. So next one, tell with me. 1 is the weight into 5 is the coefficient into 5x plus y plus 4z minus 21 is equal to 0. You multiply it, add all this, you will get new normal equation of x, and that is 46x plus 29y plus 32z minus 147 is equal to 0. This is the new normal equation for x. Okay, so keep in mind if you are not given the weight, just don't mind the weight values and just find out with these things, coefficients only, to get the normal equations. If you have given the weight, then multiply in addition to coefficients also, 2 into 3 into. Okay, so normal equation of y, to calculate normal equation of y, you will just have to, weight is 2 into coefficient of y is 3, multiply with the equation 3x plus 3y plus z minus 4 is equal to 0. Next one, second equation, weight is 3, coefficient is 2, the equation is x plus 2y plus 2z minus 6 is equal to 0. Third one, weight is 1, coefficient is 1 itself, the equation is 5x plus y plus 4z minus 21 is equal to 0. You add all this, you will get normal equation of y, and similarly normal equation of z. So you find out normal, I have found out normal equation of x here, find normal equation of y and normal equation of z, and try to do the next problem also. Okay, thank you.
So write this question down. Don't be afraid of the size of the question. It's just, instead of x, y and z, the angle value is given, and instead of not having the weight value, you have given 4 weights and 4 equations. Okay, so as first step, you need to solve the normal equations. It's just the same as we just now did. The only difference is there is no coefficient variations. A, B, C are all with coefficient 1. Okay, so it's simpler now. So calculation of normal equation of A, multiply the first equation with weight 4, multiply the second equation with weight 3, and for third equation you don't have A. That means the coefficient of A is 0. So omit that third equation. You don't have to consider third equation for the normal equation of A, because there is no A in third equation. So multiply the weight 1 with fourth equation and add all those 3 equations to get the normal equation of A. Similarly, to find the normal equation of B, you don't have to consider the first equation because there is no B in first equation. You just have to consider second, third and fourth equation. Multiply those equations with the corresponding weights. The same with C. With C, you will just need to consider only the last 2 equations, as first 2 equations is not having C. Coefficient of C in first 2 equation is 0. Okay, so you have got normal equations of all the 3 A, B, C, and now you have to calculate MPV, the most probable value. As we now have the normal equations of A, B and C, it's very simple to get the most probable values of A, B and C. You just need to have an engineering calculator, and through the process of solving equations and substituting the values of coefficients of A, B and C of normal equations, not this given equations, of normal equations, input the normal equation values in the equation section of your engineering calculator and obtain the values of A, B and C. So there is no need to get confused at all. If you are confused right now, just calculate the normal equations of A, B and C. Okay, if you have the engineering calculator, you can just solve it by the way of equations to get the MPVs of A, B and C. Okay, thank you.